Hello, and welcome to ORASEE Eye Care. ORASEE Eye Care is located in New Orleans, Louisiana. It is proud to serve Metairie, Kenner, Slidell, and other parts of the greater New Orleans area. It is a primary care facility specializing in contact lenses with a full optical on site. The practicing doctor is Dr. Michael Bilalis. Dr. Bilalis is there 5 days a week and one Saturday every month. At ORASEE Eye Care, Dr. Bilalis and staff are proud to serve the greater New Orleans area with the best quality of eye care. ORASEE comes from the Greek word for eyesight, ORASEE. We aim to provide the most efficient, comprehensive exams full of compassion and care. Our optical strives to provide a wide variety of spectacles and professional, one-on-one service. Our goal is to provide exceptional service to keep you on the go. Here are some policies that are important to us at ORASEE Eye Care. Business policies, which include business hours and the appearance of the office and the optical. Patient and customer policies, which include harassment of staff, termination of care, and emergencies. Employee policies, which include performance, patient interaction, and professionalism. Today we will focus on business hours, patient and customer policies that pertains to harassment of staff and termination of care, employee policies as it pertains to professionalism, conduct, and common courtesy. Here are the business hours. The doctor is available from Monday through Friday. On Mondays and Fridays, he's available from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. On Tuesdays through Thursdays, he's available from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. He's also available once a month on a Saturday from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. The optical is open Monday through Saturday. On Monday through Friday, it is open from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and on Saturday, it is open from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Here are holiday, vacation, and sick day policies. The office and optical holidays include Memorial Day, Labor Day, closing early on Wednesday before Thanksgiving, Christmas, closing early on Christmas Eve, and New Year's Day, and again closing early on New Year's Eve. The employee vacation and sick day policy includes up to 2 weeks of vacation. Depending on the severity of the case, if any employee misses more than 5 days of unexcused work days, days will be taken away from vacations. Here's our policy for dress code and appearance. The front desk is required to wear scrubs or business casual attire. The optical is required to wear business casual attire. The doctors are also required to wear business casual attire and their white coats. The exception can be made based on the patient, for example, pediatric patients. Here are some policies for all staff members. There are to be no visual tattoos, only piercings on the ear, facial hair is permitted as long as it's well groomed, and each staff member should present overall cleanliness. All staff members will receive 2 ORASEE Eye Care polos, which they can wear whenever they'd like. Here are some patient and customer policies. Any harassment of staff will not be tolerated. Depending on the severity, patients and customers found guilty of excessively harassing staff members will lead to termination of care or refusal of services. There are 2 ways patient care may be terminated. If the patient continuously fails to follow the plan for treatment, or if the patient or customer excessively harasses a staff member. When a patient care is terminated, a phone call and letter from the practicing doctor will be sent to the patient. Documentation of the call and a copy of the letter will be added to the patient's chart. Any information needed by future doctors will be sent directly to that doctor's office. Here are some policies as it pertains to professionalism and common courtesy. All staff members should portray the highest form of professionalism. This includes showing up 15 minutes before opening. Staff members should be respectful and courteous to not only each other, but also to the patients and customers. They should greet every patient upon entering and thank them when they leave. Any unprofessional conduct will be punishable by suspension or termination of employment. I will use my dog to show an example of a good way to greet patients. We know you have many options when it comes to eye care. We are honored that you picked ORASEE Eye Care and hope to see you again soon.